Hey everyone! Today I'll share with you a step-by-step guide on how to download and install the free trial version of Adobe Photoshop 2026. First, open your web browser and go directly to Adobe's official website. Next, create a free account or sign in if you already have an Adobe account. Download the Creative Cloud desktop application. Now we're going to install the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop application. Just wait until it finishes. On the left-hand side, click on Apps. Find Photoshop and click on it. Click the free trial button to get Photoshop. Choose a subscription and click Continue. You won't be charged until after your free trial ends. Although you are installing the free trial version of Photoshop, Adobe requires you to add a credit card. It will charge $0, but the card information is necessary. Once you fill in all the required information, the Photoshop download will start immediately. Enjoy your Photoshop 2026. The trial lasts 7 days and gives you full access to all Photoshop features. After the trial ends, you'll need to subscribe to continue using it. Now I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to cancel your Adobe free trial so you don't get charged when it ends. Go to Adobe's website and log in using the same Adobe ID you used to start the free trial. Once you're signed in, you'll see your active plans listed under Plans and Payment. Click Manage Plan and then click Cancel Your Free Trial. Verify your identity. Adobe will ask for a reason for cancellation. You can select anything. You might see offers like discounts or alternatives. You can skip those. Continue following the on-screen steps until you reach the confirmation screen. Once confirmed, you won't be charged after the trial period ends. Even after cancellation, you'll still have access to the trial until it expires. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.